we will discuss about a premium tool named noxtools.com. Okay, so guys, link given in description. If you go to directly from Google, and you will be cheated by some fake website, so you have to go with my link personally given in my comment section, and also in description. Okay, so go now and check out the page and enjoy now. So we will completely guide how to buy the Pictory. Okay, so here the Nox tools look like, and here is started from Samras 199 169 rupees in dollar, approximately $2 dollar. And no Pictory, where is now Pictory? So Jasper, Text Wizard, Techstar, Steve AI, and yeah, wow, Pictory, yeah, amazing tool, and you can buy now, of course, here. And you can pay now here. If you want to buy with via PayPal, you have to pay 4.49 rupees. Binance also using 3.99 in Binance, and Indian rupees 299 rupees. If you want to buy, so click here to buy now and select PayPal. If you want to buy with via PayPal, click here, and I want to buy with Indian rupees 299 rupees. So it will be redirect on the different page. And so here is given in all about the Pictory unlimited, no limit, means you can create unlimited video, script video, all premium plan feature, means all premium plan feature and feature included in this package. Okay, unlimited project, here is no any limitation. 99% uptime, maybe some down, I think 95-96% is better for me, because as a this type of tool always perform approximately 90%. Okay, and you have to pay 4.4 in month. Okay, if we want to buy via in dollar, so $4.4 in month. And actual price is too much high. Here the payment option is available now: UPI, QR code, Paytm. If you are from India, then these options are good for you. Okay, so card payment, Binance, PayPal, outside the India, it's a good option. Okay, and another crypto and three another platform is available now. So after buy, and we have just buy now, and I will show you the main panel. So I will go to here are the Naps tool. Here login ID, login email ID. I have logged in with my email ID, and you can directly access. You don't have to install third party application or any extension. So it's very good option, and security purpose, I think it's better for all around the world. Any website don't have this type of direct access process. Okay, so Pictory one clicks access here, it will be redirected on. Okay, wait. So wow, amazing, I have just buy now, and immediately it will be open from all the function. Okay, after buying, one another thing, after buy you have to submit a ticket. Here you can send your screenshot and say I have just buy now, and please activate my services. Then maybe it will be take 1 or 2 hour to activate your services, then start your application now. Okay, so script your process video, articles to video, किसी any article converted into video, edit video using text, another is visual to video. You have all these options, but my favorite is script to video. So click here and type your script, and generate your article. Suppose I have a script, or maybe this is my script. Okay, so just copy here chat GPT. Okay, so just copy now, and here go and paste here. Okay, and space is a necessity. Okay, because of space, sort your sentence length. Okay, due to space, and just proceed now. and select your template. You have find your personal template suitable for your business. Suppose I am it's my digital marketing agency, so select this one, computer, laptop and etc. Size, okay, YouTube, Facebook or any other platform. Okay, for YouTube 16 into 9. Just click now and wait. It's creating my video, and you can preview now. Immediately you can now preview, and then you can download now. If you are satisfied, you can download now. Okay, just wait now. 40%, 41% completed, 60% completed. It will be take some little bit more time. Okay, wait. Wow, amazing, 100% completed, and your video is coming soon, very soon. Wow guys, wait. What happened? Maybe some internet problem going on. What's going on here? Wow, amazing. Just copy and paste and click here and apply, and it will be render and created your video. Here is stock block images shown down here, but actually if you are download your project, then it will be gone. Okay, so no issue, and you can just preview now here. Wait. Yeah, digital marketing agency instrument in. Okay, watch it carefully. Each paragraph you can, and also preview all of them. Okay, so it's very amazing for video creator. If you are using scripted video, and you can also import your blog article, convert into video. So enjoy now. Thank you. Bye bye.